Chime SpotMe repayments don't fail randomly. They usually fail because your next deposit didn't arrive yet. Your account doesn't have enough incoming funds to cover the negative balance, or Chime's system hasn't fully synced your deposit status. By the end of this, you'll understand why your SpotMe balance isn't clearing and what you can do to fix it quickly. Start with how SpotMe repayment actually works. SpotMe doesn't have a separate payment button. It repays automatically when money hits your Chime account. That means timing matters more than anything else. Now check your direct deposit. SpotMe is designed to be repaid when your next qualifying deposit arrives. If your paycheck hasn't landed yet, the negative balance will stay active. Next, look at deposit type. Not every deposit counts the same way in SpotMe repayment. Only qualifying direct deposits trigger automatic repayment in most cases. If your incoming money comes from transfers or external apps, it may not clear SpotMe immediately. Now, check your available balance. Even when a deposit arrives, Chime may apply it to pending transactions first. That can leave your SpotMe balance still showing negative for a short time. Next, look at timing delays. Banking networks don't always update instantly. Your deposit may be posted on one screen, but not fully applied to SpotMe yet. That delay can make it look like repayment is stuck. Now, check account status. If your account has restrictions or verification issues, Chime may delay automatic balance adjustments. That can pause SpotMe repayment until everything is cleared. Next, consider app syncing issues. Sometimes the balance updates correctly on Chime's servers, but your app doesn't refresh right away. Logging out or reopening the app can force a balance update. Now look at multiple deposits. If you receive more than one incoming payment close together, Chime processes them in order. SpotMe may only clear after all prior pending transactions are settled. Finally, understand the system. SpotMe is not a manual repayment loan. It's designed to recover automatically when your account receives eligible funds, and it prioritizes pending transactions before clearing the negative balance. To sum it up, Chime SpotMe repayment issues usually come from three things: missing or delayed qualifying deposits, funds being applied to pending transactions first, or temporary syncing delays inside the app. Next step is simple. Wait for your next direct deposit to fully post, make sure no pending transactions are blocking funds, and refresh your app to confirm your updated balance. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Chime SpotMe fixes, banking tips, and simple breakdowns that make your money apps easier to understand.